Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I am from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve another Java problem, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So here I had written the problem statement. Now I will just read this problem statement. So the problem is take the array, right? Take the array and k as an integer input, and given condition is that the array contains all the unique elements, then take the sum of take the sum as an integer input and print all the permutations of the pairs whose absolute difference is k, whose absolute difference is k. So which means, for example, I will take n is equal to 3, right? And I will take 1, 2, and 3. And I will take k value as 2, right? So what are the pairs are there? 1, 2, 1, 3, and right? See, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, 3. So like this, you'll be having 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3. So in this, you have to find the pairs whose difference is 2, right? For example, if you do 1 minus 1, you'll get 0. So you have to neglect this pair. And 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1, you'll get 1. And 3 minus 1, here you'll get 2, right? So this pair has to be included on the output. So likewise, you have to check the difference, the rest of the pairs, and whenever you find the difference 2, then you have to print that pair. That's it, simple, right? So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the code, right? So I'll write import java.util.start, right? After that, I'll write scanner as c is equal to new scanner system.in, right? After that, I'll write int n is equal to sc.next, and right? After that, I'll take an array, right? Is equal to new int of size n, right? And after that, I will take a for loop which starts with I is equal to 0, I less than, and I plus plus, right? And after that, I will take air of I is equal to sc dot next int, right? Right? And after that, I will take k value, right? Sc dot next int. So this is the difference value, right? This is the difference value. So I have taken n value and I have taken array, and I have read the values in the array, and I have taken the k value. So now I have to go on to the for loop. I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and I will take the nested for loop with j is equal to 0, j less than n, and j plus plus. And here I have to write the condition if air of I minus air of j is equal to k, or air of j minus air of I is equal to k, right? Then you have to write, then you have to print the air of I plus air of j, right? So this is the problem. This is the code. So I'll just run this program. So I'll give 5 or 3. I'll give 1, 2, 3, and I'll give k values 2. So the absolute difference should be 2. I want the pairs whose difference is 2. See, what 3 minus 1 will get 2, and 3 minus 1 will get 2. So these are the absolute difference. For example, I'll run this program again, and I will give different outputs, like different inputs. 1, sorry, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that I'll give 3 is the difference. So this is the pairs. So 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 5 minus 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 5 minus 2 is 3. Right? So in this way we can take the difference in each pair, and based upon our k value, the pairs will be appeared in the output. So I hope you understand this problem. And if you have any doubts in this problem, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.